Who's this guy?
That's Alexander Marcard from CNN.
He the main architect of the story?
He is.
Scroll down. November 10th. We're one day before what?
One day before they went live and published the video.
CNN say anything to you in the week that transpired?
No, it was completely silence.
Can we scroll down for a little bit, Corey, just see the bottom?
Yeah, that came from me.
Local time in Vienna, right?
That's correct. It was 8:42.
What time you go to bed?
It varies, but sometimes earlier, sometimes a bit later.
Did you get this message before you went to sleep?
I doubt it.
Do you remember if you got it before you went to sleep?
I don't remember day by day. I mean, it was a long time ago. But if somebody writes me at 8:42 at night, chances are I'm offline, either asleep or winding down.
Do you have a memory of getting something from a CNN reporter and then putting your phone down, going to sleep?
No, I mean, that would be crazy.
Okay. Hi, Zachary. Are you there? This is Alexander Marcard. Alex Marcard from CNN. I know you've been speaking with a colleague of mine. I tried calling you last week, but you did not pick up. Did you get a call from Mr. Marcard?
No.
Did you get a voicemail from Mr. Marcard?
No.
We're going to be running a piece in which we detail your interaction. Scroll up for 1 second. Does Signal show missed calls?
It does.
Is there a missed call here?
No, there's no missed call.
Okay, let's scroll down. Where we're going to be running a piece in which we detail your interactions with people inquiring about your services and prices to evacuate people from Afghanistan. They've now told you.
Yeah.
I wanted to give you a chance to explain why they are so high. Would you prefer to answer questions by text or on the phone? Thank you. Right?
That's right.
Let's scroll down, please, Corey.
Oh, I want to point out that message was very different than what Katie Bowe was telling me.
He told you they're going to run a story about you.
Now it's about me.
Now you know.
Yes.
Okay. So now we're the next day at 5:53 p.m. Came in at 8:42, so 21 hours later or so.
That sounds right.
Okay, so in less than 24. Oh, sorry. Can you go back up, Corey? All the way up to the first message. Does Mr. Marcard tell you that they're about to publish a story tomorrow?
No, he doesn't.
Does he tell you there's a time sensitivity to this story?
He does not.
Does he tell you it's urgent?
No, he doesn't.
Does he give you a deadline by when to respond?
No, he doesn't.
Were you under the impression you had to respond right away?
Definitely not.
Okay.
In reading this, it's not in there.
So let's go to the next message. You respond nonetheless in less than 24 hours, right?
That's right.
Is that an acceptable turnaround time in your business?
Absolutely.
Okay, so you say, "Hi, Alexander. Please provide a list of questions as well as the facts and assertions about me you intend to publish. I will need some time to review and provide comment," right?
Yes, that's completely reasonable.
Took the question out of my mouth. Mr. Marcard says, "Thank you for responding. This piece is running this afternoon, DC time. That's why I reached out yesterday." Shame on you, Mr. Young, for not responding earlier. "I will send you my questions and deadlines ASAP," right?
That's right.
You respond back. "That's not a realistic deadline," right?
I write that 5 minutes later.
"I will need a few days to review and provide comment."
That's correct.
Why would you need a few days to review and provide comment?
I mean, now it seems this has turned into something serious. There's going to be a surprise CNN hit piece, we know, with me. So I wanted to have some reasonable time to at least defend myself and clarify, at least give my side of the story.
Do you want to talk to any professionals?
Of course, I would have wanted to talk to probably a few professionals.
Like who?
Lawyers and also people from my background, because now you've heard about my background yesterday. When you hear that a mega news entity like CNN is about to hit you with a surprise investigation report, you want to consult with a few people that can help you understand what's happening.
This moment you knew that if CNN said false things, your whole business could be in trouble.
More than my business. More than my business.
I'm sorry, I tried to reach out last week on LinkedIn. You did not accept my request. Did you get a request from Mr. Marcard on LinkedIn, Zach?
No.
I called you last week and I texted you yesterday. Did he call you last week? Did you receive a call?
We just saw
I know you
the,
don't know what he did, but did you receive a call?
no. And we just saw the top of this chain on LinkedIn or on Signal. It shows when someone has made a call or if you've missed a call,
If it goes through.
if it goes through.
He texted you yesterday.
That's right.
That's right.
It is.
All to no avail. Right?
That's right.
I will let you know what the deadline is. He's going to let you know, right?
That's right.
It's his deadline, right?
He's the reporter.
He's the publisher?
He's the publisher.
Let's go to the next question, please. You provided some answers to my colleague, which we may use as well.
That's correct.
This is, can we scroll down for a minute? Down more, is that the end? That's the end, okay. So, there we go. 6:06 p.m. Austrian time. Can you do that conversion? If not, I can pull up Marquardt's version, and that'll give us the local time. Hold on.
This is the local time in Austria.
Right, I'm looking for local time in New York.
Okay. Should be 12:06.
12:06. You can do it in your head. Okay. So we'll see Mr. Marquardt's version anyways in a minute. Okay, so go up, please, again. So at 12:06, he tells you, I need your answers at the latest by 2 p.m. Eastern, right?
That's right. So less than 2 hours.
So, he said, so in 2 hours. A few minutes less than 2 hours.
That's right.
All right. 1 hour, 54 minutes.
That's correct.
Spot on 6 minutes? No. All right. Can you break down the extremely high prices for evacuations you're at? I have seen your conversations with others, charging $75,000 for a car to Peshawar, $14.5 for a flight to UAE, another $4K to get to Albania. Others involved in evacuations have said your prices are too high. So, question one, can you break them down? Do you want to talk to somebody about that before you answered it?
Of course not.
Did you want to talk to somebody besides Mr. Marquardt before you answered it?
Of course, I would have wanted to talk to somebody to get a better understanding of what's about to happen.
And how CNN might use the information?
Of course, I have no idea.
Are you making money off of this? If so, how do you justify profiting from Afghans desperate to get out?
That's what it says.
Okay. Were you profiting off of the Afghans?
Never.
Who were you taking money from?
Corporations. And CNN knew it.
Hear the judge say in the beginning of the case that you didn't take any money from Afghans?
It's already decided.
Okay. Did you want to talk to somebody before you figured out how to tell CNN that they're about to defame you?
Of course, I would have wanted to talk to somebody before answering any of these questions.
Do you want a lawyer to reach out to CNN and say, hey, don't do that?
That'd be a good idea.
Can we scroll down to the rest of the... Go a little bit. We intend to show a conversation with Jill Cornett. Get cut off. That's the woman we discussed yesterday, right?
It is.
Okay. Did you want to talk to somebody before they publish that stuff about you?
Of course.
All right. Question from Marquardt's goes on. I think we have more of it in Marquardt's version. Let's take a look. Give me 1 second. All right, while we work on that, let's do the rest of this, and then we'll get the rest done. So you then say that's definitely not a realistic deadline. What's not a realistic deadline?
The 1 hour and 54 minutes that he was offering.
In any case, I can tell you for sure, for sure, some of your facts / assertions are not accurate. And if they are published, I will seek legal damages.
Again, this is before talking to any lawyers, but that was on my mind.
Now you knew CNN was about to publish about you.
That's right.
And now you told them that if they go forward with their false news, their fake news, you were going to sue them, right?
That's what I said. Not in those words, but that was the message.
1 hour, 54 minutes before he told you They were going to go to air, right?
That's right.
Did they go to air?
They did.
Did they heed your advice?
No, they ignored it. They didn't even pump the brakes.
Did they care that you told them it was false?
No.
Okay.
Let's go down. Can you clarify which ones? Here are the figures presented by you. Some more screenshots. One, Corey. Can we go to 129? Sorry, 129 Ninja? Same conversation from Mr. Marquardt's side, right?
That's right. It says CNN at the bottom, so this came from them.
Okay. No outgoing call.
I still don't see that where he made a call to me on their version.
Okay. Hey, Zachary. You mean because there'd be an outgoing call thing here?
Yeah, exactly.
It's not there?
Not there on his side either.
But he called you last week.
That's what he said.
Hey, Zachary, are you there? This is Alexander Marker from CNN. We read all this, right? Corey, we're just going to run through it. I just want to go to the... Can you zoom back out? Not a realistic deadline. I tried to reach you. Let's go down. Here. We intend to show a conversation with Jill Kornetsky in which you tell her to fuck off after calling. Would you like to comment on that exchange?
That's what he says.
Do you want to talk to somebody before you responded?
Definitely.
What is your relationship with the CIA? You told one person you are a former case officer, told another that you are a current knock. Did you tell people that?
No, I didn't.
We intend to use this quote. We don't have any more, right?
We don't have any more than that.
Corey, is there more to this message on the next page? No. Okay. So, wait, go back up, Corey. So they also did an experiment, right?
That's right.
This is not, again, we saw the realistic deadline. Let's scroll down. He then sends you screenshots of all the different things, right?
Yes.
Now, Corey, can we zoom back out a little bit, please? So this is a, he includes down here the F off, right? The fuck off.
That's right.
Here's where you told Jill to.
That's right. He shows me the messages.
Did he put the messages in context?
No. He's zeroing in on...
He just pulled
Here's
out
the part.
the one you looked worst in, right?
That's right.
Okay, let's pull it back out. Scroll down. Here's where you said your former CIA. Can you scroll up, Corey? I'm a former agency CO. Did you say which agency?
I didn't say which agency.
You know how Mr. Marquardt knew that you were... You know why Mr. Marquardt was under the impression that you were former CIA?
I can't...
Section. Foundation.
Saying that, based on where we are, or what testimony we have thus far.
Understood. Let's scroll down. He says, so which assertions are not accurate? I'm not accusing you of scamming. He didn't publish that you were scamming, did he?
No, he didn't.
I'm simply pointing out, the prices are very high. And I'm providing you explanation that sponsors are expected and the environment is volatile.
That's right. Again, he's picking out little pieces that he likes.
I'm not going to say you're scamming, and I'm going to stick in somewhere that you said about sponsors, right?
But I'll use these little things that I like.
Zachary, any thoughts? Question mark? What was going on in your head now?
I mean, even looking at it now, it's starting to make me... I didn't like it.